Hello all, Trish here from Merry Kitty Bracelets, and today I'd like to show you how to do the 4 basic knots and 2 kind of sort of advanced knots for bracelet making. Your first knot is your forward knot. You take your first string, I'm using 2 different colors to keep it distinguished properly, and you do a 4 with your left knot over top of your right knot, and then you just lift your right knot or your right string and you just pull through like this, and you do that twice like so, and then your yellow has moved over to the right of your purple string, which is where you want it, and doing a forward knot. Now the best way to remember that is to do a 4 like this. Remember, it's a 4 with this line being over top of this line. Alright, and your next knot will be a backwards knot, which is basically the opposite. It will be a P. So you take your yellow knot and you put it over top of your purple knot, or your right knot over top of your left knot, and you just pull through like that twice. And the easiest way to remember that is to do a P. Kind of like a 4, only backwards. The next knot will be a forward backward knot, which kind of goes like this. This is your starting string, your bass string, which is your purple, or in my case it's my purple. And you're going to start, because we're doing a forward backward knot, our first knot will be a forward, and then our second knot will be a backward, so it kind of looks like this. You do your forward, your 4, and your first knot will be this knot right here, and when you do your second knot it will be this knot. Disregard this, I kind of made a boo-boo, because that one's the other one. But you do want to do your P now, to do a backward knot, like so. And it hasn't moved from the left. See, forward, it will move it forward, and backward, then it'll move it back into its position, so that you can still knot, but it'll stay in the same position. And to do the same thing, I will take the purple, and this is the backward forward knot. So you want to take this, and you want to do this knot first, and then this knot. I'm going to take my purple, and I will do a backward knot first, and then I will do a forward knot second, so that the purple is back in its same exact location. Alright, so you need at least 3 strings for this next knot. Okay, so this one is going to be your square knot. And what you want to do is you want to take your left string, you want to put it over top of your middle string, which in this case is white, and then you take your right string and you put it over top of your yellow string, like so. And then after you do that, you take your middle string and you move it over top of the purple, sweep your purple underneath, and pull so that it looks like this. And you pull up, like so. Alright, and then so once again, you take your yellow string, which is on the right side this time, put it over top of your white and underneath the purple, or your left string. And you can do the exact same thing you did, only mirrored. And you take your purple string and you put it underneath the white string and bring it up through this little yellow loop here so that it looks like this. And then you just pull up like so. And if you forget which string goes underneath the other string, the one that goes underneath the string, when you look at it this way, in this case it's the purple, will always be kind of knotted on the side, and the yellow will always be in the middle. It's kind of hard to see because I'm using only one string, and you should at least use 2 or 3 to make this knot. Right. So this next knot is called the lark's head knot, and what you need is your bass string and your knotting string. Your knotting string has to be folded in half roughly, and you take it and you put it underneath your bass string. And what you do is you take the loop and you fold it over, and you take your 2 ends and you fold them through like that, and you pull just like so. And there you have it, the lark's head knot. And I think that is all the knots that I need to cover. Thank you for watching, and hopefully you have a nice day. See you in the next video. Bye.